Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter the Darktide error code 2006 problem. We may encounter various connection errors like this, usually in cases where the server is busy, the servers are under maintenance or crashed. With the servers being full, some players say that they fixed this error by making a VPN connection. We will try to solve the problem by telling you a few suggestions. Before we show you solutions, we will briefly talk about the forum. You can forward various errors you encounter to the community on the forum portal we have opened. For this, if your problem continues or if you encounter a different problem, you can get a quick response by sharing it on the forum portal. We care about your questions and suggestions. Some users state that after making a VPN connection, they did not encounter such an error again and they accessed the game without any problems. We can check if the problem persists by performing the VPN connection. If you do not have any VPN program, you can download a free VPN program and perform the connection process. If you are looking for a free VPN program, you can download a free VPN program by clicking the link in the article. After downloading the program and performing the installation process, check if the problem persists by connecting to America or European countries. Internet connection problems can cause many errors. If you are experiencing slowdown or disconnection in your internet connection, let's give a few suggestions to fix it. Type CMD in the start search screen and run as administrator. Paste the codes in the article in the command prompt window that opens and press enter. After doing this, right-click the internet icon in the lower right corner and click Open Network and Internet Settings. Click on the Change Adapter Options option on the screen that opens. After this process, let's access the Properties menu by right-clicking on the Ethernet option. Then double-click on the Internet Protocol version 4 option and let's apply the setting I showed in the video. You can check if the problem persists by restarting the computer after following the steps. Turn your modem off, wait 20 seconds, and turn it back on. During this process, your IP address will change and will prevent various network problems. If the problem persists, let's move on to another suggestion. We can fix the problem by setting the port configured for Darktide. Type Windows Defender Firewall in the Start search screen and run it. Click on Advanced Settings on the left side of the screen that opens. Select the Inbound Rules option on the left side of the screen that opens and click the New Rules option on the right. Select the Port option on the screen that opens and proceed. Then, let's continue the process by setting the TCP option and pasting the port in the article. Then, let's move forward by selecting the Allow the Connection option and continue by enabling all three features. After this process, let's save the name of the port we created. After successfully performing this operation, let's set the UDP port. In the same way, click on the New Rule option and select the UDP option. After this process, let's give the port name by applying the previous settings in the same way and save the process. After completing the operation successfully, you can check if the problem persists by running the game. We can eliminate the problem by clearing the cache files backed up in the game Darktide. You can follow the steps below to clear cache files. For this, type %of data % in the Start search screen and open it. Open the FetchArc folder in the new window that opens. After this process, let's delete the Darktide folder. After performing the deletion, you can check if the problem still persists. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix Darktide error code 2006. If you are encountering various errors, you can reach the community with your questions by accessing the forum portal we have opened. By supporting us, we can expand our community. Thank you.